In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 without using a USB. I've also included some helpful links in the description, so feel free to check them out if you need more info. Before we start, there are two things you need to prepare. First, make sure TPM 2.0 is enabled, and second, you'll need a Microsoft account. The Microsoft account will be used during one of the final steps of the Windows 11 setup. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a security chip on your motherboard that helps keep your system safe. And Windows 11 requires TPM version 2.0 to install. If TPM isn't enabled in your BIOS, you'll run into errors while downloading or installing Windows 11. To check if your PC supports TPM, press Windows R, type tpm.msc, and hit Enter. If you see the message, "The TPM is ready for use," you're good to go. If not, check the links in the video description for tutorials on how to fix that. To download the ISO file, just Google Download Windows 11 and head over to Microsoft's official website. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Select the Multi-Edition ISO, 64-bit. Click Confirm, then choose your region and hit Confirm again. Now click 64-bit Download to start downloading the file. Once the download's finished, you'll get an ISO file like this. Double-click it to mount the ISO, then copy everything inside to another drive, not the one you'll be installing Windows on. And that's it for the prep work. Now take note of the drive you're going to install Windows 11 on. Check its total size and how much free space it has. We'll use that info in the next step to identify it. Alright, now let's install Windows 11. Go to Settings. Click Update and Security. Then go to Recovery and hit Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Your PC will reboot into a special menu. When it loads up, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Command Prompt. Pick your admin account, enter your password if needed, and click Continue. Now the terminal will open. Type Notepad and press Enter to launch Notepad. In Notepad, go to File, then Open, and browse to the folder where you copied the Windows 11 setup files. Once you're inside that folder, change the file type to All Files. You'll see a file called Setup. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This will start the Windows 11 setup. Select your language and time preferences, then click Next. Leave the options as default and hit Next again. If you have a product key, enter it now. If not, select I don't have a product key and click Next. Now choose your Windows 11 version. Most people go with Windows 11 Pro. Here comes the important part, selecting the right drive to install Windows on. Use the total size and free space columns to find the correct drive. Remember, it's the one we checked earlier. Click Next. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Your PC will restart a few times automatically. When prompted, give your PC a name and sign in using your Microsoft account. The whole process usually takes around 30 minutes or more, depending on your system. Once it's done, you'll be up and running with Windows 11. To activate Windows, you can buy a genuine product key from a trusted source. Go to About Your PC, scroll down to Product Key and Activation, and enter your key to activate Windows. Keep in mind, the key gets tied to your motherboard, so you'll only need to activate it once. Next time you reinstall Windows, you won't need to activate it again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.